Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to complete the Affidavit of Support, Form I-864. This crucial document demonstrates that an immigrant will not become a public charge in the United States. We'll cover who needs to file it, the eligibility criteria for sponsors, and the essential financial documentation required. Understanding each step is vital for a successful immigration process, ensuring all requirements are met accurately and efficiently. Let's get started on this important journey together. To be a sponsor, you must be a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident and at least 18 years old. You also need to reside in the United States or its territories. Critically, your household income must meet or exceed 125% of the federal poverty guidelines for your household size. For active duty military personnel sponsoring their spouse or child, the income requirement is 100% of the poverty guidelines. This ensures you can financially support the intending immigrant. Gathering the correct financial documentation is key. You'll need to provide copies of your federal income tax returns for the most recent 3 years, along with all W-2 forms and any other income statements. If your income alone isn't enough, you can include proof of assets, such as bank statements or property deeds, to meet the financial threshold. Don't forget to attach a copy of your birth certificate, U.S. passport, or naturalization certificate to prove your citizenship or lawful permanent resident status. When filling out the form, always read the instructions thoroughly before you begin. Use black ink and print clearly, or type your information directly onto the form. It's essential to sign the form in the correct place and sometimes in the presence of a notary public, depending on the specific instructions. Finally, submit the completed Form I-864 along with all your supporting evidence to the appropriate government agency. Double-check everything to avoid delays in the process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.